welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Queen Vjane here, and for our today's video, we're gonna do a gameplay of Mortal Kombat 11, and we're gonna use Jade. So we're gonna choose right now the local fight and the local. Ayan. So we're gonna choose Jade for our gameplay today. There's so many, a lot of characters, but we're gonna choose one character, so it's Jade. And we're gonna choose this, my favorite character, and the Jane skin. And the opponent is CPU.
No.
So we're gonna choose Jack Briggs. And we're gonna choose veronchives skin, and we're gonna choose your difficulty. It's medium.
No.
Totally a gamer, so I hope you guys. I'm not a gamer, so I'm not gonna tell that I'm professional on gaming. So I hope you enjoy this video. Disclaimer: I'm not a gamer, fully a professional gamer, but I love to play this game. Okay, right now we're gonna choose place. So we're gonna try to choose this prehistoric age place, the hourglass. Okay, enjoy watching and enjoy watching. Okay, we're gonna start waiting for our gameplay, and this is the scene, and enjoy watching. So amazing. They're both beautiful and cool. So in this game, you're gonna need a technique to gameplay this one. Okay, you need a more defense rather to fight. Okay, that's the move that I'm gonna. Oh, it hurts, right? So we're gonna to have more defense. Oh, it hurts, huh? Don't mess with me, girl.
Really, nigga?
Oh, they grab us. Oh, fuck. Sorry. So we're gonna shield. Don't hit me, girl. After she's done, okay. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Okay, next one. It's it. It's some ability skills of Jade's. Oh.
No.
Oh, we're gonna mapapahit tayo. We're gonna do a hit to use our fatal blow. Okay, nice one. Next one, Jade. Nice one. Oh, so smooth. Oh, just a they're gonna hit in head. Oh, they punch. Oh, there's one more hit, and then we're gonna finish her. So 1, 2, 3, and circle. Okay, we're gonna do the fatality, and oh, that's really nice. Oh, did it good as of Jade, and we're gonna did it, guys. We're gonna make it. Oh, it's difficult, even it's hard, but I try my best to defeat this Jack Briggs, and I hope you enjoy watching, guys. And if you want more gameplay in Mortal Kombat 11, just click the subscribe button and notification bell button, so when I upload a video, you're gonna be notified on my upload video. And if you have more comments or suggestions, just comment on below if you want more gameplay of my videos. So just comment on below, guys, and thank you for watching, and God bless us all. Thank you and take care.